In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate www.dickssportinggoods.com for a seamless shopping experience. As you may know, since the closure of the Sports Authority online store, Dick's Sporting Goods has become a popular destination for all things sports related. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just someone who loves active living, this guide will help you make the most of your shopping journey. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official website, dicksportinggoods.com. Once the site loads, you'll be greeted by a clean and organized homepage filled with various categories and promotions tailored to sports enthusiasts and casual shoppers alike. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see tabs for different departments like sports gear, apparel, footwear, and outdoor equipment, as well as sections for deals and customer support. Now, if you already have items in mind that you'd like to purchase, you can make use of the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type the name of the product or brand you're interested in and hit enter. The site will pull up a list of relevant items, allowing you to quickly navigate to what you're looking for. Once you've found an item you're interested in, click on the product to view more details. This is where you'll find information like product specifications, available sizes and colors. Additionally, customer reviews can be incredibly helpful in ensuring the item meets both your needs and expectations. Don't forget to check out the product images and zoom in for a closer look. This step can give you a better idea of the texture, color, and quality before you make a purchase. Once you're satisfied, you may want to add the item to your cart. This is easily done by selecting the desired size and quantity, then clicking the Add to Cart button. Now let's navigate to your cart, which you can find by looking for the cart icon, typically situated in the upper right-hand corner of the website. Clicking on the cart will show you all the items you've selected, along with their total cost. Take a moment to review your selections, ensuring that everything is as you expect. If changes are needed, you can easily update the quantity or remove items directly from your cart view. Now that your cart is set, you're ready to proceed to checkout. Here, you'll have the chance to enter any promotional codes you might have, which could lead to some great savings. Once this is done, you'll enter your shipping information, select your preferred shipping method, and proceed to payment. Be sure to review your order one last time to confirm the details are accurate before finalizing the purchase. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a smooth and successful experience shopping at Dick's Sporting Goods. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you are looking for.